Magellano 50 is the second model of the most recent yacht line introduced on the market by Azimut Yachts. These vessels can be defined as all-weather boats because of their characteristic to offer comfortable navigation and excellent seakeeping both in calm sea conditions and in moderate and rough seas. Thanks to the ample autonomy provided by large fuel tanks and to the reduced fuel consumption at low and average speeds, Magellano 50 can be presented to the market as a modern and sophisticated long-range yacht, being able to guarantee the most demanding yachtsmen the maximum cruising freedom. In calm seas, the navigation is really pleasurable, reaching a top speed of 21 knots and an economic cruising speed of 16 knots. But the real essence of the Magellano 50 comes out as soon as she starts to ride in moderate and rough sea conditions. Thanks to the unique combination of the vertical bow with the inverted bell shape of the hull forward section, the stress usually generated by the impact with the sea is completely eliminated. This tendency to slam is significantly reduced, with the boat cutting easily through the waves and reduced vertical acceleration. At the same time, the important volume of the forward section provides a constant reserve of buoyancy, which helps reduce the pitching amplitude. The overall cruising comfort is top class, especially if you compare it with the one offered by a planing hull in similar condition. The second relevant characteristic of the Magellano 50 is the superior seakeeping and excellent cruise stability you may experience also in beam and following seas. The rounded shape of the hull along the center line makes the motion smoother and more gradual. Avoiding sudden heeling typical of chine planing hulls. In addition, the active fin stabilization system reduces the rolling amplitude, limiting it to a few degrees, both while riding the hump wave or while cruising in following sea. As a result, the captain feels in full command of the yacht, whatever the sea conditions, and the guests on board may cruise in a much more comfortable way and with full confidence even in rough seas. The boat fulfills the demanding A-class CE standards. Magellano 50, maximum cruising freedom.